Okay guys, today is the 31st of March and we are heading out towards Shimla. That's Rahul on his Street 750, Dinesh on his RX14R, Hemant on his Duke 390, and that's my bike right there. We are heading out, it's around 4 p.m. We're going to take a stop at I think Panchkula, and then we are going to head towards Shimla in the morning. Okay, let's go. Rev. Chale. Guys, this is crazy. There's just so much traffic and it's hot and my god. I have no idea why there is just so much traffic. It's only 5 o'clock. It's not even the office time. I don't know what the hell is happening here. So we've not even left Delhi and our great Hemant's bike has broken down. It's leaking coolant everywhere. The coolant seems to be leaking from the top, so I guess the reservoir has cracked. I don't know if you can see that, but that's all the coolant. And that's Hemant the Great. Say hello. Okay, so the nearest service center is at Lajpat Nagar. So we are going to just head there and try to fix Hemant's bike, and if everything is okay, we'll continue heading towards what do you call that, Shimla. Okay guys, so sorry, but we had to cut this ride short because Mr. Hemant, his bike has failed to support him, and it is completely dead now. So okay guys, so the update is that we had called 2 mechanics and they were unable to fix the bike because the fan has failed completely, and it's not the problem that we had thought earlier. Like, it's not the coolant hose that is loose, it's actually the fan that has failed, which is causing the bike to overheat when it is at standstill. So what we are doing, we are sending the bike with the mechanics. They are going to take the bike to their workshop and fix it. And Hemant is going to ride pillion with me, and we are going to head right now. We are at Ashram. We are going to head towards Murthal, and we are going to stay the night there. And early morning we are going to head out from Murthal towards Shimla. So yeah guys, that's very unfortunate, but shit happens. So this is quite different than what we had initially planned to do. But riding is like that, it gives you surprises, and it's all part of the learning experience and your growth as a rider. So yeah, we are taking it all in our stride and we are heading out. Hi guys, so it's 11:15 in the night right now, and we have reached Amrit Sukhdev Dhaba. We're not staying here because they don't have rooms. We are going to go about 2.5 kilometers ahead. There are a few hotels. We'll stay the night there. We're just stopping here. We'll have a lassi or something, and then we'll move on. Hello guys, a very good morning. So today is day 2 of our ride, and we stayed at this really shady place known as the Kanak Garden. It was quite late in the night, so we did not want to move around too much. And there's a slight change in plan. Dinesh will be riding pillion on, Hemant will be riding pillion on Dinesh's ZX14R. We have distributed the luggage between my bike and Rahul's bike. So yeah, Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
So that's the Street 750 with Rahul's luggage. ZX14R is free of luggage now. So the only load here on the ZX14R is this sack of potatoes. Hemant, whose bike does not run, and my luggage and Dinesh's luggage is on my bike.
My luggage.
And Hemant's luggage also. So yeah, so that's how we are going to ride today. Okay guys, we'll catch you on the road. Stopped at Nick Baker's for breakfast. We had some nice pizza and a few sandwiches and some shakes, and now we are heading out again. Okay guys, so we are taking a short halt here at the RTO barrier. So we are just entering Himachal now. So that's the toll collection booth. Okay, so finally we are in Himachal. Okay, so this stretch is still under construction. So it's a little difficult with luggage and it's slippery also. So we are taking it slow, we don't want to take any rest. Hello guys, a very good morning. So today is the 2nd of April and it's a Sunday, and what a Sunday it is. We are in Shimla. You can see the view behind me. It's really nice, and we had just come down to clean our bikes so that we can head out and just enjoy Shimla for a couple of more hours that we are here, because after that we have to head down back to Delhi. So yeah, we plan to leave towards Narkanda. Sorry, not Narkanda, Naldehra. We plan to leave for Naldehra, or we plan to go to Jaku Mandir. So as soon as the other riders come down, we will decide, and we'll take it further from there. So we were staying at this place known as Pine View Resorts, or Pine View Hotel, I think. No, it's not a resort. So it's a decent place to stay, but the rates are not worth the rooms. So that's what I would say. The rates are too high for the kind of facilities and the rooms that they are offering. But anyways, it was okay. We were tired yesterday in the evening, so we just took the room which we found, with the best parking available. As you can see, our bikes are parked right over there, and no one would mess with them. So we chose this hotel. Okay guys, so I'll join you guys on the road as soon as the other riders are back down. Okay. Okay, so all the bikes are set. We've loaded up our luggage, and we are all set to leave for Jaku Mandir. Yeah. It is going to be a nice and adventurous ride because the incline towards Jaku is quite high. So the roads will be steep and it will be a lot of fun. So as yesterday, Hemant is riding pillion with Dinesh, and I'm carrying the luggage, and let's go. Dinesh loves to rev his engine. So you might have been hearing me talking to someone. It is with Rahul. We are connected on our intercom. So our conversations might also be getting recorded over the video. Okay, let's go. So this is the steepest part of this entire climb, with a lot of hairpin bends and not a lot of place to maneuver. Come on! Yeah, the Ninja can do it. Woo! So I'm just climbing in first gear. I'm not. So I'm going to just stop and let the guys pass me so that I can record them on the twist. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'll record you on the twist. So that is the Jaku Mandir. इसका मना मत कर मंदिर है. Okay guys, so what we have planned is that we are heading out from Jaku and we are going to go to helipad, and from there we are going to head towards Delhi. I know our plan is getting delayed and we'll be reaching Delhi by night now, But since we've come so far, it's good to go places and enjoy the view. And that's Street 750. Slowly, slowly. हाँ देख मेरे को ध्यान नहीं है. हाँ नीचे उतरना है. हाँ लेफ्ट. लेफ्ट जाना भाई. Update. This is the road that used to go towards helipad, but they've closed the road for traffic and you have to walk up towards the helipad. So we are just going to park our bikes here and then we are going to walk towards the helipad. Okay, so as Dinesh, Hemant and Rahul are heading up towards the helipad, and I'm staying back with the bikes, and because our luggage is here, I'm sure it will be safe and there's no issues, but we don't want to take a risk, so I'm staying back. हमारे घर वालों ने बोला शांति से टाइम पे पहुंच गए. अच्छा कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है? ये आगे है ना. बाइक चलो. Check out the view here, guys.
You can clearly see Doraemon.
Beautiful. Okay, so we had a breakfast at Sher-e-Punjab and I showed you that spectacular view. Now we are heading back towards Faridabad. Excuse me. Our first stop should be when we reach Panchkula. Let's see how it works out, because it's already 11:35. We are running late. So as you can see, the road is under construction, and this road has been in the similar condition for about, I think, 10 minutes now, and a pipe has burst, so we have to cross through that. And of course the ZX14R is also enjoying its fair share of off-roading. It's all looking nice and dirty. Nice fun, man. Okay, so we are just standing here and having a lot of fun actually. So what we're going to do, I'm going to just stand there and we're going to watch the bikes come through the whale of water. Hopefully it will be a nice shot. Woohoo! I don't know if you can see that rainbow. It looks really nice. Okay, so the next one in line is Rahul. Here comes Rahul on his Street 750.